Newton's second law stated that the greater the mass of an object, the more force it will take to accelerate the object. For more detailed information, it means that the magnitude of the force acting on an object is equal to the product of the mass of that particular object and the acceleration with which it moves. This also means that the acceleration produced in a body is directly proportional to the force applied to it and inversely proportional to the mass of the object. As you can see, the formula for this law is F equals to ma, which m is mass and a is acceleration.
Next, I will start with discussion for this project. From the animation, we can conclude that there will be two situations for this video. Situation 1, if Mr. Bean pushes 10 kg of the empty shopping cart with the force 100 Newton, find the acceleration. For situation 2, if Mr. Bean wants to push 50 kg of the full shopping cart, like how he pushed the empty shopping cart, how much force is needed to accelerate the full shopping cart? Assume the acceleration for the full shopping cart is 4 ms negative 2.
Remains in time. The calculation for example 1 use the formula force equals to mass times acceleration. Since we have to find acceleration, then the acceleration equals to force over mass. In the question given, mass equals to 10 kg, force equals to 100 Newton. Then 100 Newton divided by 10 kg equals to 10 meter per second squared. Therefore, the acceleration for the empty shopping cart is 10 meter per second squared. Continue with example 2. We have to find force needed to accelerate the full shopping cart. Use formula force equals to mass times acceleration. The mass given is 15 kilograms and we assume the acceleration equals to 4 meter per second squared. Then 15 times 4 equals to 200 Newton. Therefore, Mr. Bean must push the full shopping cart with a force of 200 Newton. Thank you.
For the conclusion, based on this case study, we found that Newton's law of motion can explain all aspects of the object's motion. This second law describes how force and acceleration related to mass. The law stated that unbalanced force causes object to accelerate with an acceleration that is directly proportional to the net force and inversely proportional to the mass. The more the force, the more acceleration is needed to push the object. For that, Newton's law had proven that our lives was full of physics and application that we never realized. Overall, it may be said that applying Newton's law of motion in our daily life is very crucial.